Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also really like a good deal. Speaking of good deals, today's video is my Ipsy Mega Drop Shop haul. If you are unfamiliar with the Ipsy Mega Drop Shop, if you get any of the Ipsy subscriptions, you can go in when the drop shop opens and you can buy hair, makeup, skincare, things like that for up to 70% off. I always feel like it's a really great bang for your buck. I stock up on products like my sponge gels, which you're gonna see. I stock up typically on the things that I know I already love, or it's a really inexpensive and affordable way to test new products and not pay full retail pricing. So I'm quickly gonna dive in. It's not a super big haul, but I feel like it's a good haul for me. First up, I got a little 2-pack of the Sponge Gel Honey Blossom Body Wash Infused Buffers. If you know, you know. My son and I love these. We swear by them. I've used them for years. We've probably gone through, at this point, 100 of them. Yes, I'm serious. I love these. They last typically with everyday use like 3-ish weeks, 3 to 4 weeks. They smell great. They work well. They lather up well. I also always note when I talk about these that the very first 1 to 2 times that you use them, they can be quite abrasive. So if you have extremely sensitive, tender skin, I would just, give a word of caution to you. As they get wet, as they soften up and stuff like that, you don't have that issue anymore. I feel like they exfoliate well. They don't over dry the skin. They smell really nice. The smell lingers, but it's not overpowering. I love them. My son also loves them. And the last time I shopped the Mega Drop Shop, I did not post that haul because I just bought 10 of these for my son. And I sent them to him. But I also got the men's super buffers, and these are typically through the Mega Drop Shop like $4 to $5, and retail price they're $16 to $20. So for me, and as often as we use these, as often as I know that I would purchase them, and as often as we have purchased them, it's a steal for us. I love these. If you've tried them, please let me know. Next up, I got this Kosas Tinted Face Oil. I did get the shade 8.7. I'm actually hoping that this is going to work for my niece. She is about to start school, so I wanted to try to find something for her. She's very much like I am. She has drier skin, and she's very much a less is more type of beauty. This kind of feels like it's been used. I hope that's not the case. And I think swatching it, I think it may work for her. Hopefully. It was kind of hard to tell this. It was kind of hard to tell the shades through there, but this was also very affordable, very inexpensive. She's about to start school again, so I wanted to just give her something to just be like, hey, here you go. I'll make her like a little cute basket up with like some mascara, things like that for when she starts school. So I thought that was a great deal. Next up is this 2-pack, the Lights Lacquer De Mi Para Ti nail polishes, and they were 2 neutral shades. Also, if you know, you know, I love Lights Lacquer. I am a very long time fan. I have quite an extensive collection, and these were neutrals, so I figured I could use them. And I think they were 2 for $6 or $8. I'll try to remember to pop the price here. And I normally spend $11 to $13 for each, so incredible value. This is their older packaging, so that is why you're probably seeing these in the drop shops and or at Marshall's, TJ Maxx, places like that. This is my all-time favorite nail polish ever. This was the shade Lila. And another lighter kind of milky neutral. This is Matilda. But they have a very wide and rounded brush applicator, which is probably my favorite part. I feel like they last a lot longer than a lot of nail polishes that I've used in the past. I love the finishes, the shade ranges. They have jellies, they have mattes, they have sparkles and shimmers, and I love them. I love them. They did repackage, and they have different packaging, so I'm actually kind of happy about that because we get to reap the benefits of it. So I got 2 for way less than the price of just 1. Next up, and I love that they packaged everything really beautifully this time. It's about time, Ipsy. I have used these wipes for a really long time. I always try to stock up on makeup wipes so I can get them for $2 or $3 because I typically only use wipes when I'm doing swatches, but I go through a ton of them when I'm doing swatches. But I got 2 packs of the Creme Shop Complete Cleansing Wipes. These are rose water and coconut. Next up, I saw so many people get this quite a few months back, I think, and if you got this, let me know what you think of it, please. But I saw a lot of people get this, I think in like a Boxy Luxe or something back then, or whatever it was. But it's the Ofra Glitch palette. That packaging is so cool. And it just was so pretty to me, and I love Ofra, and it is a all shimmer palette that I thought was really cool. It does have a large mirror on it. Let me move this out of the way, fold the mirror back so I can show it to you. But I thought this could be really beautiful as like a companion palette for like more matte heavy palettes. And there are a lot of times that, like even for today, as a matter of fact, I use the Nomad Cosmetics, the Royal Europe palette. I wish I had something lighter and brighter in that palette to just pop in my inner corner and above my brow bone, and this would have been perfect for that. So I hope I like it. I love their highlighters, so I think I'm gonna like it. I think I'm gonna be satisfied with it. I'll definitely try to remember to pop up pricing for you guys, but it feels nice and heavy, feels weighted, feels great quality. This is another product that I saw you guys get, and I was jealous, okay? This is a Ciate London Glow 2 Highlighter, Illuminating Powder Highlighter in the shade, I have no darn idea, Moondust. But I also saw people get this in a box, and I've seen it a couple times in the drop shop, and I'm like, oh, I don't know. This was not like super cheap, and I typically don't pay more than like a little tiny bit of money for makeup products, but I wanted it so bad, so I got it, and I hope I like it. Again, if you've tried this, please let me know. Oh my gosh, that is pretty. I think I'm going to love that. Oh, it feels so smooth. It is the perfect light kind of pinky champagne shade, which I think is going to be incredibly flattering on me. It swatched out very smooth. I do already have on some highlighter, but you know, you only live once. So I was excited to have this. Again, it was a little bit more pricey than I usually go, just for like the drop shop type pricing, but I'm excited to have it. Please let me know if you have this. Next up, I'm gonna have to open this bag because I honestly forgot what the heck I got. It's been so long since I ordered. Oh, now I remember. This is a gift. This was like a little perfume, like sampler thing. It came in like a little Ipsy bag, which I thought the bag itself was quite elegant and quite cute. And then it has 6 like perfume sampler products in here. There is a Catherine Malandrino Dream that I hope is okay because it sounds funny. There is a Sophia Isabelle Define Me. There is a Milk Commodity. There is a Kenzie, which I have like a 2-pack or a 3-pack of this that I got before, and it was really nice. I don't know the scent of it. Maybe it's just called Kenzie. And then there is one in a little bubble wrap that is called Wake Heart, and that's all I can read because I don't have my glasses on, so I'm very sorry. But actually, my mother-in-law loves fragrances. Like, I love fragrances, clearly, but she loves fragrances. So I got this to put back for her for Christmas time. And I think it was, I mean, it was super affordable, very affordable. So I could not resist getting this for her. And then last but not least, I'm gonna consider giving this to my mother-in-law for Christmas, but I got it for myself, but I'm gonna look at the notes of it. It is the English Laundry Abbey Eau de Parfum, and it is a massive size. I'm so excited about this. It has top notes of blackberry, pear, mandarin zest, mid notes of Irish orange blossom, and jasmine. Base notes are patchouli, vanilla sugar, sandalwood, and amber musk. So I am excited about this. This was incredibly pricey, and I feel like I got a great deal on it. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about this. If you don't feel like it's something I'm going to love, if you know, you know. I like very light, soft scents or soft floral scents, sweet scents, and fresh scents. So anything that's too overpowering or fancy old lady scents, I don't like them. So let me know. That is it. I love shopping the Mega Drop Shop, you guys, especially for things like my spongels and stuff. Finding the freaking Lights lacquer polishes for so incredibly cheap, being able to find a product I can pass along to my niece. And I typically, like, all of my brow products that I have, like my Kush Fiber Brow Mascaras, all of my Real Her Brow pencils, things like that, I've gotten all of them through like Mega Drop Shops and stuff because they're incredibly affordable. And I'm somebody that because I use so many brow products and I go through them so quickly, I mean like quick, because mama ain't got no brows, damn 90s. I don't want to spend $16 or $20 on a brow pencil, which yes, there are some affordable drugstore ones, but if I can get them through the drop shop for $4 or $5, I'm gonna do that. But I'm rambling, I'm so sorry. What did you guys think of the haul? What did you pick up in the Mega Drop Shop? I love you beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye beauties.